Hey guys, if you remember in my other video I was showing you how I removed the instrument cluster out of the 79 Camaro, and in this one I am going to show you what I had to do to install the new Dakota Digital gauges. It's a little bit different than Clowney 1969, his video, although it's the same car and everything, so it was a tremendous help. Put the link down below. And then, so here we go. So I had to connect the tack to the coil here. You see this black wire right here. So I had to run that. That became the tack. What else did I do? Oh yeah. So I had to get and Clowney shows this, I had to get a new neck and to be able to connect this. Now in my Phytech, I also have a water temperature gauge. So I have two water temperature gauges. The problem is that the Phytech one is the one that runs the fans. This one doesn't. So I haven't figured out where the fan is connected to, so that maybe I can just take this one and use it as the fan to control the fan, and then I'll just and the Phytech one I could just disconnect it, although it'll throw off the Phytech readings, so not sure. Maybe I'll just leave it like this. What else did I do? So that's about it for in here, I think. Okay, and then down here, that's the oil pressure gauge. I had to do the same thing as Clowney. I tried to get away with not putting a 90-degree angle and everything, but yeah, that didn't work out. So I had to do that. So here's the new Dakota Digital gauges. Looks really, really good. I put the switch here. This one just takes you through the menus. And then in the control box, or the fuse box, what I did was I connected, there's two powers you need, the accessory and the always on. So in the fuse box, I found where there's always power, and I tapped into that, and then I plugged in the accessory for the accessory connection. And that was about it. Didn't take that long.